All right, so you've just bought your flooring and now you're wondering, how's this thing going to be finished off? How am I going to lay it? So before you even start the job, come and see us, because even before even laying the floor, you need to talk about your subfloor and leveling. That's another whole department over there. So bring a board in, right, and then we're going to look at, depending if you're doing it yourself, you're going to get a builder or your friend to do it or a contractor. Everyone might do things differently. So there's different types of trims. There's the old silver, gold and bronze. They're okay, but we've got about 25 colours around the corner here. Single part, two part. The two part trims will make it easier for you to lay it, especially with some of these new locking systems. We've got a range of colours, depending if you're meeting sliding doors, glass doors, carpet. Is the carpet already down? So bring in a list of whatever you need, depending on where you're going to meet bedrooms, sliders, kitchens, whatever. And then we'll talk through the different options on how can you finish that the best way to make it look seamless, last for a long time, and give you enough options. And also, if you're going to do stairs, there's different ways to do those. We also make custom stair nosings at the back here. Or you might want some nice angle trims. Some things need to comply if it's a commercial space. You might want to be nice and safe if you've got some old people around. So just really come in before you even start. Don't be that person that comes in and said, I've laid my floor, how do I finish it now? Sometimes it's too late and you can't do the best option. So coming in, check it out. We've got the widest range of Australia here. Between scotias and trims, there's so many options. So come and see us. Look forward to seeing you.